This video takes a look at how to create different types of roof sections. Firstly, for pitch roofs, so you can just trace that as one single section and then use the split function. It's often the easiest way to do it. So we can split that in two, just left clicking on each point across the ridge, and then just use elevate edge to raise up the ridge line. Left click on it and you'll see in the 3D view it'll rise up. Simple as that. For more complicated sloped roofs and vertical sections, there's some other methods that can be used. So let's elevate, say, this edge, for example. It's a slope roof there. And then say there's a flat roof below it. So there'll be a space in between with a fairly complex roof geometry to fill in. So this is easy to accomplish if you trace in 3D. So select the 3D option and simply click on each of the snap points you want to snap to, and it'll create the roof section. It can be handy for dormer windows and things like that. And for steepled roofs, let's say it could be a church or something like that. Again, we can use the split function. So just create a flat section and split it into four triangles, say, and use the elevate point. Select the point in the middle, left click again, and it'll raise it up. And finally, for, say, small, awkward sections, again, you can use the 3D add section command. It'll be handy for dormers, as I mentioned earlier, or small vertical sections or gable ends and things like that. And then your roof will be ready for setup.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.